Well, it's good weather. It's moving day. It's time to go ahead and get the sawmill out. We've had this Woodland Mill sawmill for over a year now. Had it all together, put in the garage, tucked away, and now we can get it out, get it set up, and we can start milling. I needed two 2x6s today, treated for a farm trailer that I just recently purchased, and the price on the two 2x6s that are 12 foot long, $50. And I said, nope. We'll find some locust trees that I've got laying out there that are dead, and we'll cut them up. Ought to be fine. Stick around. Well, here we are. We made it. Thankfully to our new little trailer over there. I don't know if you can see it in the dark. Our little $60 farm trailer. We were able to go ahead and get the track loaded up on it to move. And then we lifted with the dual bale spear on the tractor. Lifted it up. Brought the head in, the power unit. Set it down on. And some of you, if you've been following along, we're in the maple shack. So my wife had the great and bright idea of, hey, this would be undercover and you can slide out as needed. It's going to be a little tough to get logs in, but we can probably slide in this way. We'll make it work until we get enough lumber cut that we can go ahead and build a shelter for it. Girls went ahead and leveled the sawmill out the best we could. I'm going to try and fiddle with it, try and get some first cuts on this. This is slab lumber that I picked up from another mill that we were burning for maple and for firewood for the house. So I'm just gonna try cutting a little bit on it and see how it goes. So take a look. Let me bring you in. I think I can do. Yeah, so what I'm doing back here is I did not put this handle the way they wanted it. I put it the way I wanted it, this piece. I wanted to push up, not down. I thought it was kind of dumb going down on collar. So I'm going to put that in. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the farm, in the garage, in the sawmill, in the field. See ya.